Okay, so of course I look like a mess again. I can never do a video where I'm not like fully done up. Like yesterday I did film a makeup tutorial with the new Urban Decay heat palette. Right now, actually I gotta cut up this watermelon too. Oh, it's Sunday, July, today's date, 9th, July 9th, 2017, and we leave in 3 days. Yep, we leave to go to St. Bart's, right?
Yeah.
Are you so excited to go to St. Bart's, Brody?
On my truck.
How are we gonna get to St. Bart's? On a what? On the plane?
Yeah.
You love that truck.
Yeah.
I gotta do Gus's ears too.
Yeah, it's really thick.
So yeah, I've got some footage of last night. That was so much fun. My sister's for Courtney's birthday party, my niece. Okay, so I have been taking these and I absolutely love them. So it's basically like a multivitamin meets a prenatal vitamin, and they're the gummies. So 2 a day, and they are really tasty. I love these. And right now I got my camera because I'm going to be making a shake with my unsweetened almond milk. 1 cup of this, and then pineapple chunks, frozen strawberries, and I have some bananas over here that have gone kind of bad. But they say, you know, if a banana goes bad, just use it for a smoothie. So I'm going to use that. Sometimes I always put this, but maybe I will. Maybe I will. And then of course, my vanilla Shakeology. I don't do this every day like I probably should, but like I said, my sister-in-law gave me this, and it has some really awesome ingredients, so. And no, I'm not, oh my gosh, let me see. I'm not a Beachbody coach, but yeah, she gave it to me to try, and I mean, it's a good protein powder, and it's an expensive one at that, so definitely gonna use it up. I think I thought I had one more. You know what? Probably. Oh yeah, it's down there. I do. I have one whole other one as well. I gave one to my sister because she actually does do Beachbody. So I'm gonna whip this up. I'll show you how I do it. Just the tripod over here. Oh, and guys, I got 2 orders. One for a banner and one for the Bachelorette Sailor hat on my Etsy page. So I have to do those sometime before I leave, which is crazy. Yeah, it's gonna be a crazy few days. And somebody ordered something. Where do you want to go? And somebody ordered shoes off of my Poshmark page, so I'll be at the post office a lot. I'm gonna try and only have to go once if I get everything done. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. The one banner though, I kind of like felt bad if I said no because of, like, I think I mentioned yesterday, it's a girl I went to high school with whose son was very sick, and I just felt bad saying no. So, and make my smoothie. There it is. Not screwed up like the last time first time I used that, I blended it too much and it was like a soup. All right, this is what I used. Now we're gonna pour it into a glass. It's like a strawberry. Oh, I forgot the banana. I forgot the banana. That was my whole point of doing this. I'm gonna throw it back in. Silly me. I gotta do it again. Just gonna use a fresh one. Those other ones, they did not look very good. Yes, but oh well. Now I have my banana. It's in there. I knew I was forgetting something, right? A little bit left over for Brody. Yummy. Alright. Now I'm gonna go, probably have to run to Michael's to get the paper for the banner and possibly get ribbon for the hat. Careful, Brody. I have so much to do. I'm like a little stressed out because I still have to start packing for us. And alright, I'm gonna go. Bye. Be nice. Give him give him some love. Give him a kiss. Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Give him a hug. No, to Gus. Give him a hug. Look at that. Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Show your friends. Give him a hug. No, give him a hug. Why not? Hey, don't do that when he's chewing on his bone, Brody. He'll bite your finger. Bite your finger. Please don't do that when he's chewing his bone. Get a bad boo-boo. Go fly. That's not nice. That's not nice. Don't do that. That was not nice. Don't you do that. Well, I still have the same thing on my mantle, but I really love it. You need time out? I think you do. That was not nice. Brody, look at me. B, look. B, look over here. Oh. Put your hat on. No, no, no. It's Mommy's. No, no.
Mommy's mom.
Careful.
No, don't use dress.
What?
Don't use smack.
Yeah.
Smack.
Put it on. Yeah. Cool dude.
Look how big this back. Oh.
Uh-huh.
Spot. I got big back home.
Okay. Be nice to him. What? Be nice to Gus, okay? Please be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Hey, hey, don't hit him. Yeah, careful, watch your face. Don't need scratches on your face, B. Don't scratch your face. Be nice to him. Take a break.